tonight. But first, a 19-year-old boy has been detained by police in Palghar in Maharashtra. Yes, that's the same place where the earlier Facebook arrest took place. But this one is for an abusive post or an allegedly abusive post against Raj Thackeray. However, this time the police are proceeding cautiously. The boy was brought to them by workers of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, that's the Shiv Sena's cousin. Police sources say it's possible that this was a dummy Facebook account created in the boy's name. This comes on a day when there's been anger over the Shiv Sena's call for a bandh in Palghar against the suspension of two cops who arrested two young girls for their post on Bal Thackeray's death. That led, of course, to widespread outrage.
Bandh has been called for local political reasons. Elsewhere in the country, apart from a very, very few, it will be seen for what it is, nonsensical.
Palghar halted, people silenced. Illegal as it may be, the Shiv Sena officially called for a bandh to protest the suspension of two police officers by the state government. Officers who arrested two girls for an innocuous Facebook post critical of the shutdown in Maharashtra after Sena chief Bal Thackeray's death.
Politics of intimidation and the threat of violence. This has been the Sena's style of functioning for the last 4 decades. And these deserted streets here in Palghar, perhaps a reflection of how, like it or not, the diktat has to be followed.
पालघर की जनता ने जिस तरह से बंद पुकारा है, मुझे लगता है कि सरकार के मुंह पे तमाचा लगाया है.
The Bombay High Court had fined the Sena and the BJP rupees 20 lakhs each for calling a bandh in 2003. The financial blow seems to have made the BJP think twice.
Well, they could be supporting a bandh. We are clearly not. We are clearly for freedom to expression.
In a letter to Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan, Markandeya Katju, former Supreme Court judge and chairman of the Press Council of India, slammed the police and the Sena. He wrote, "In recent years, hooligan gangs have flourished in Mumbai. These should be crushed with an iron hand."
The average man on the street does not want a bandh or cannot afford a bandh. But the only reason many of us are willing to go along with it is because we fear. We fear the economic cost of vandalism and harm to ourselves.
And it's this fear that the Sena taps into. It's unlikely Uddhav Thackeray will rethink the Sena's brand of politics. An NDTV Bureau report.
So can the Shiv Sena's politics of intimidation still work? Not just the Shiv Sena, but the MNS as well. Do tell us what you think. Joining us on the program, a special panel this evening, we have the former Police Commissioner of Mumbai, Mr. Julio Ribeiro. We have columnist and commentator Suhail Seth, who joins us from Mumbai as well. We'll be joined by Senior Supreme Court Advocate Harish Salve from Delhi. Also with us tonight from the MNS, Rupali Patil from Pune, and Prabhakar Raul, the Shiv Sena Thane district head and leader of the party from Thane. I just wanted to ask Ms. Patil first. Ms. Patil, you're from the MNS. Can you tell us anything you know about this particular incident in Palghar today, where a 19-year-old boy was taken by MNS workers to the police for an allegedly abusive post against Raj Thackeray? Anything you know on that?
एक्चुअली वो जो लड़के ने माननीय राज साहब ठाकरे के बारे में लिखा हुआ है वो गलत ही बात है. और जैसे कि आपने बताया कि 2 लड़की के ऊपर जो पुलिस ने कार्रवाई की थी, तो हमारे जो वहाँ पे जो लोकल हमारे कार्यकर्ता है उन्होंने रीत कायदेशीर लेकर उनका कंप्लेंट दी हुई है. अभी आगे देखते हैं वो क्या करते हैं उसके ऊपर.
तो आप ये इंसिडेंट कंफर्म कर रही हैं, लेकिन हमने ये भी सुना है कि एमएनएस के जो वर्कर्स हैं उन्होंने खुद उस लड़के को जाके पुलिस में ले लिया, पुलिस स्टेशन ले लिया. क्या ये बात सही है?
ये देखो, ये राज साहब माननीय राज साहब ठाकरे के बारे में प्रतिभावना है, प्रेम है, आस्था है. कोई भी अपने फेस सोशल मीडिया की तरफ से कोई भी बात लिखेगा तो ये गलत ही बात होगी ना. तो वहां के जो लोकल है, हमारे जैसे जो कार्यकर्ता है, वो ऑब्वियसली नाराज होते हैं. तो उन्होंने पुलिस को कंप्लेंट देके वो लड़की को पुलिस के हाथ में दे दिया.
You see, there's too much noise.
लेकिन रूपाली जी, कोई मतलब किसी को हक नहीं है क्रिटिसाइज करने का. कोई कुछ भी कह सकता है, मतलब लोगों का अपना ओपिनियन हो सकता है किसी के बारे में, चाहे वो राज ठाकरे हो, चाहे वो कोई और नेता हो,
कोई भी कुछ
और
भी
वो
नहीं
सोशल मीडिया पे वो एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं.
में भारतीय संविधान में ये लिखा हुआ है, भारतीय संविधान जो अपना रूल अपन जो लीगल बोलते हैं, भारतीय संविधान माननीय अपने बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है कोई भी व्यक्ति को स्वातंत्र है, मगर ऐसा स्वातंत्र नहीं कि इसकी धार्मिक भावना को वो ठेस पहुंचाए करके।
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.